Planet 9, otherwise Planet X or Nibiru, is 5 times larger than Earth and is closer to us than expected, according to astronomers' claims. Astronomers are increasingly certain that out there, in the periphery of our solar system, a large planet is hidden. Now new studies show more details about this world, its size, and the true possibility of its existence. An article published in the journal Physics Reports provides thousands of new model calculations of the dynamic evolution of the solar system and offers updated information about the nature of Planet 9 or Planet X Nibiru, including an estimate that it's closer to us and closer to the Sun than previously suspected. According to the study, Planet 9 should be at least 5 times more massive than our Earth, and its elliptical orbit is 400 times the Sun-Earth distance, 1 AU, which is 93 million miles. This orbit, moreover, will be inclined 15 to 25 degrees to the orbital plane of our solar system, where most of the planets are. Despite the fact that the existence of this mysterious world had been proposed by various researchers during the last century, generally baptized as Planet X, only in this decade, when technology allowed it, they studied more precisely beyond the Kuiper Belt, and it was when astronomers realized that only the presence of a giant planet could explain the behavior of several objects detected, which appeared to be victims of the gravitational influence of a larger object. On the verge of being noticed were the proposed properties. Planet X is just on the verge of being observed, says Frank Adams, one of the authors and the professor of physics and astronomy at the University of Michigan. The orbits of the distant Kuiper Belt and Planet 9. The orbits are mainly controlled by the gravity of Planet 9, or Planet X, and show a close orbital relationship. Green orbits are strongly associated with Neptune and show a wider orbit, says James Tuttle-Keen from Caltech. If we knew where it was in the sky, we could look there with a telescope in the right direction and see it, but this is a very small object in a very large sky. And since we don't know exactly where it is, you have to study the whole sky, or at least a large part of it, to find it. And according to the researcher, by the year 2030, we will have seen it or have a better idea of where it is. Although, he adds, it's also possible that by then we will have alternative explanations for the observed orbital anomalies that until now lead to the conclusion of their existence. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.